How I come for accept another woman feeding my man and also feeding me. Well, not really feed me, but me I'm out tight. Anyway, this happened for a couple years now. So early on when it started happening, me never question it. Me just see me come home with vegetable herbs and spices. And when I say vegetable herbs and spices, I mean fresh vegetable herbs and spices. Me not pay it no mind. But one day, sometime last year summer, him come home with one big bag callaloo. So I'm like, where you get so much callaloo from? Him say, one woman will like him, give him the callaloo. Me say, woman will like you, give you callaloo. Me say, where the woman they come from? Him say, down in workplace. Then knowing in my head, me I say, shit, that saying they will say the same way you get them, I say you lose them. That coming in my head. So, me not sweat it. Me just make him go and come. I want him know say, at that point, me I think all way me I think. Anyway, a couple more months go by. And then one day me just drop him up and ask him, Wagwan, what about that woman that give him the food and stuff? Him dial a number, put it on speaker, and the woman come on the phone. Me say, I feel like more piss me drawers. Anyhow, me keep my mouth shut because me not gonna make no woman feel like say she has sweat me like that. And me just take time listen. Anyway, when him come for the phone, me and him have a conversation. And then me get fear understand. So the woman is a retired woman who used to work at the same hospital, and then while she was there, he was always assisting her, right? So she and him grow that bond, and know that she the woman live her best life and a plant up her garden. She still will give him things for care of him yard. So that's how I accept it. Anyhow, she going on different state, go buy goat, get it kill and clean and well season it, send it over, and she send it with onion, scallion, thyme, and fresh, from Fair Garden, theme cook. So yeah, we cook it and we name it and we enjoy, and that's how that come about. So yeah, and a film girlfriend alone at the two our girlfriend. Anyhow, if you want a curry goat recipe, I have one linked in my bio, with detailed seasoning and all. And guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to leave a comment, and I'll definitely see you guys in another video. Big up yourself. Bye guys.